All right, good morning, guys. So we are going to make a copy of your reader's notebook today, and this is how you're going to do it. You need to go to the hub and go to your English class, right? So this is obviously my first period pre-AP class. The first thing that should show up on your feed in overview is what we are doing today, Wednesday, September 16th. And you will see we're doing this for the Do Now, class time, assignment, and exit ticket. If you click show more, the first thing it says is English 2 Reader's Notebook, which is what we're doing during class time. You're going to click that link. Once that link is loaded, it should literally come to this link, and you are going to click it. This is going to bring you to your reader's notebook, okay? So you should not be able to edit this just because this is my copy. Please make sure that you are logged in on your HISD account. If you are not, you need to go and delete your Gmail account and log in with your HISD account first. So that's your default account. If you are logged in with your HISD account, how you are going to make a copy is come over here into the left corner and click File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. Once you click Entire Presentation, this copy document pop-up will pop up. And you are going to erase the words copy of and put your name, right? So if my name is Noah Hernandez, I would put Noah Hernandez is English 2 Reader's Notebook. But my name is Chelsea Salyer. So I'm putting Chelsea Salyer's English 2 Reader's Notebook. I am making sure that it is saved to my drive. And then I am clicking OK. Once I click OK, I have my own version of the English 2 Reader's Notebook. I no longer need this version I'm making a copy of because this is what Miss Salyer is going to be looking at. This English 2 Reader's Notebook, the one with my name, that is the one Miss Salyer is going to be looking at. Before you start, what I need you to do is go up here to the right corner and obviously share it with me. So in the right corner, there's this yellow share button, and you are going to type out chelsea.salyer@houstonisd.org. Either of these emails work, but since I typed this one in, this is the one I'm going to do. You'll see that it pops up that I'm an English teacher at Fur High School, which is true, and I have the cutest dog in the world, which is also true. So you would click that. My name will populate there, and you will click send. When you are done with that, what you are going to do is go through slides 2 through 8, just watching these videos on how to insert things and do things in Google Slides. Because like I said, we are going to be working, see? I get an email when you share things with me. We are going to be working in this reader's notebook all year. It's literally going to take the place of your journal virtually. So I will be looking in here and you will be using this almost every day. So slides 2 through 8 are just tutorials on how to do things. So go ahead and flip through those slides. I will call you back when class will resume.